implement a expression using multiplexer. So question is like this: F, A, B, C, and D. It is being given, and its min terms are also being provided: 0, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12, and 14. And you have been asked to implement using 8:1 multiplexer. You are being asked to go with this. So there are two different methods by which it can be done. I will be discussing with you people the first method. So here 8:1 multiplexer is to be used. So we will be making that. So you end up with this. Now here you will write A bar and A, and in 8:1 multiplexer you will have 8 inputs. So they will be D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, and D7. So you will write out 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now, the next step, please note down this important step. Whatever being min terms need to be encircled like this. So 0, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12, and 14. So these are the min terms being provided to you. So what we are actually doing, we are being provided that your 4 variable expression is to be implemented using 8:1 multiplexer. So what we have to do, either you have to eliminate D or you have to eliminate A. Either of these two are acceptable. So we are actually trying to eliminate A, and we specify this in terms of A. Now here look, when D0 data is there, it is 1, 1. That means there is no change. You will write it as 1. For D1, your data is changing from 0 to 1. So it will be A. In D2, your data is changing from 1 to 0. So those which are encircled are actually 1. Those which are not encircled are 0. So your data is changing from 1 to 0. So that gives you A bar, and 1, 1 will be 1. 0, 1, A, 0, 0, 0, and 1, 1 will be 1, 0, 0 will be 0. So once again, I am repeating this entire sequence. We will encircle all the min terms which are being provided to you, then make a comparison that what is actually happening. So min term, both are 1, your output will be 1. 0, 1 will be A, 1, 0 will be A bar. So that is what the entire thing is. So now after doing this, the last step in this is implementation. And for implementation, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to make a multiplexer. So your multiplexer is 8:1. So you will make 8:1 multiplexer with pins D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. So you will write down all the numbers related to this. So number related to this are D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. Now what we will do, we will modify this according to the requirements and terms which are being given to you. Here you can see that D0, D3 and D6 are 1. So we will be making a line D0, D3 and D6, they are 1. So here you will put 1 or just activate them as high. In the next step, we will look which are A. So your D1 is A and D4 is A. So D1 and D4, they are being combined together to give you A. Then A bar. So D2 is A bar. So you get D2 and here you put an inverter. So D2 is A bar and then 0. So D5 and D7 are 0. D5 and D7 are not connected. So they will be given 0 or low signal. So in this way, you can implement any Boolean expression using 8:1 multiplexer. So here I am implementing 4 variable using 3 variable multiplexer. You can also try 8 using 4:1. So that's up to you. So that's all as far as this multiplexer thing is being concerned. And if you have any doubt, you can discuss it with me.